This is a 36-piece professional chrome vanadium 1/4-inch socket set from CK. It comes in a compact and durable case with a clip fastener and an EVA inlane for secure tool storage. The set contains 13 6-point metric sockets with a sure drive design, which applies the torque on the flat side of the nut rather than on the corner, and as a result, rounding off is avoided. The set also comes with 17 hex bits with a phosphate finish for extra durability and rust resistance, a bit drive adapter, a hex drive adapter, an extension bar, and a 1/4-inch universal joint. To drive the sockets and the bits, you have the reversible 72-teeth ratchet with a push-button release mechanism and a 1/4-inch socket handle. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over 600,000 items and get everything you want. You need it? We have it.